And the bulletin kicks off in matters football, where Ethiopia and Burundi are among the first teams that have already arrived ahead of the kickoff of the CECAFA Senior Challenge on Sunday. Meanwhile, Harambee Stars held a training session Thursday morning ahead of a tough opener against Rwanda.
2017 CECAFA Senior Challenge hosts Kenya will kick off their campaign against a resurgent Rwandan side that is using the tournament as a build-up ahead of their CHAN appearance in Morocco. The Amavubi reached the quarters of the 2016 tournament, which they hosted.
They have a good team. Also, I think Libya, they will come with a very good formation. So most of the players are playing in the national team, so it will be a tough.
CECAFA is Harambee Stars head coach Paul Pat's first assignment, and the Belgian is seeking to find favor with the Kenyan fans who are longing for good results after a series of disappointments. Pat led his charges in Thursday's training session. The team is targeting the title that comes with 6 million shillings in prize money.
I can see the motivation of the players. I think it's a good sign already. Of course, it's a long way to go. There's a lot of work to do.
Meanwhile, CECAFA Secretary General Nicholas Musonye hit out on the Zimbabwe Football Federation following their withdrawal from the tournament, citing security concerns in Kenya.
I would told Zimbabwe, and I would told them to keep quiet. If they are pulled out, they should not talk about security in Kenya. They are not Kenyans. They have got their own issues at home.
With Zimbabwe's withdrawal, 9 countries will take part in the tournament that will be played on different venues across the country.
We are going to have the main venues, Kakamega, Bukungu, backup Mumias, Machakos, backup Kasarani. We are looking at possibilities of having a few matches in Kisumu, and we're having those discussions.
The tournament's opening ceremony will be on Sunday at the Bukungu Stadium, Kakamega County. Rotuno Konyike, KTN Sports.